So today's tutorial is going to be nice and short. I'm going to show you how I make a cozy cup of fresh mint tea for my indoor mint garden. If you don't have an indoor mint garden and you're watching this video, or an outdoor one, consider this your sign to make one. Growing mint is just so easy. It grows back so fast. I'm able to enjoy a fresh cup every week or so. So the first thing I do is I pluck my mint and I wash it and I throw it in a pot to boil for about 5 minutes. And that's really it. I pour it into a heat-safe glass mug or just any mug of your choice. And from there, it's just so delicious, and it's so nice to be able to just pluck something fresh from your windowsill or outdoor garden. I love making a cup before bed. But yeah, if you're curious how I made my mint garden, please stick around. I will be making a video on it. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.